Hi everyone. I get a lot of enquiries from girls having lump or a swelling in the axilla. So I have come here today to explain all about it. I'm Dr. Apurva Samant from Mumbai. I'm a plastic surgeon and let's talk about accessory breast tissue. So what is it exactly and why the axilla? So when we are developing in our mother's womb, the breast actually starts developing from the axilla and the milk line extends from the axilla up to the groin. So finally, when the breast is formed, it is formed in the position that we normally see it in. But there can be a chance that an accessory breast tissue can be found anywhere from your armpit up to the groin. But is it very common? No, not really. About 6 to 7% of women have an accessory lump in their axilla, and that is the most common site. So when do girls notice it? Generally, you have a feeling that there is a lump that is sometimes tender, sometimes increases or decreases in size, mainly with your menstrual cycle. Most of the times, it just goes unnoticed right up to the age of 50. Or sometimes a girl can come with her first period that there is some lump I feel whenever my breasts become tender, the lump also becomes tender. What do I do about it? Well, I follow a very simple system. We first go for a clinical examination. That tells us how much of glandular tissue is there, whether there is skin excess, whether there is a lot of fat. And then I go for an ultrasonography, which completely tells me, delineates the entire pattern. And then I give the option to the patient whether you want to get it removed or you want to wait it out. Most of the times, it's just better to get rid of the tissue. And then there are multiple options. Sometimes if the skin is excess, you have to do a skin reduction, which can be a small scar there. Sometimes maybe only about liposuction for the fat, for the excess fat. And sometimes it can just be about gland excision. But all this can be confirmed after you show to a proper plastic surgeon who can give you the proper treatment for it. What I always say is, whether you choose to do the treatment or not is upon you. But when you choose to do any treatment, see to it that you have chosen the right person and the right treatment for it. So, accessory breast tissue is fairly treatable and does not even cause a cosmetic problem. So, don't go about thinking too much about it or disturbing your life for something that is solvable. Thank you.